Hey everyone, welcome all of you for another unboxing video of RCeA. Today we are going to unbox this with a super flight test with all the details. So without wasting time, let's go to the video.
Here is the detailed description about the transmitter. This is something about the package. In this side, you can see the dimensions of the plane. Here are some details about the parts inside this box. This is the user manual with so many details about the RC plane. And this is our super RC plane. This package includes extra propeller, battery charging wire, battery case for the RC plane, 500 mAh LiPo battery, battery charging adapter, small screwdriver, wheels for the plane, and some screws. First of all, let's fix wing to the plane. Then let's charge the battery. Now let's fix wheels to the plane. Then let's connect battery to the plane. After connecting the battery, you can see a red bulb blinking inside the plane. Lights off. Lights on. Now we are done with assembly. So let's go to the flight test. The total flight time was about 20 minutes. So until next video, stay safe, stay subscribed.